Have you ever wondered where the brains behind your favorite restaurant's POS system are located? Well, today we're diving into the mystery of TouchBistro headquarters. It's a question that's been puzzling many in the hospitality industry, and we're here to provide the answer. Before we reveal the location, let's take a quick trip down memory lane and explore what TouchBistro is all about. Founded in 2008, TouchBistro has rapidly become a leading provider of cloud-based point-of-sale solutions for restaurants. Their intuitive software has helped thousands of businesses streamline their operations and enhance customer experiences. The search begins. So, where could the headquarters of such a successful company be? Let's start by narrowing down the possibilities. Considering TouchBistro's focus on the hospitality industry, it's likely located in a region known for its vibrant restaurant scene. Eliminating possibilities, we can rule out some obvious choices like New York City or London. While these cities are culinary hotspots, they're also home to countless tech giants. It's unlikely that TouchBistro would choose such a competitive environment for its headquarters. Clues and speculations. To get closer to the answer, let's examine some clues and speculations. Based on TouchBistro's online presence and the occasional mention of team outings, it seems like the headquarters might be located in North America. One theory suggests that TouchBistro could be headquartered in a smaller city with a lower cost of living. This would allow the company to allocate more resources to research and development. The reveal. After extensive research and analysis, we've finally uncovered the truth. TouchBistro headquarters is located in Toronto, Canada. The city's thriving tech ecosystem and proximity to the United States make it an ideal location for the company. Exploring Toronto. Now that we know where TouchBistro is based, let's explore Toronto. The city is renowned for its diverse culinary scene, which is a perfect match for the company's target market. From trendy gastropubs to Michelin-starred restaurants, Toronto offers a wide variety of dining experiences. The TouchBistro experience. Imagine working in a modern office space in the heart of Toronto, surrounded by talented individuals who share your passion for the hospitality industry. This is the TouchBistro experience. The company's culture is known for its emphasis on innovation, teamwork, and a strong commitment to customer satisfaction. So there you have it. TouchBistro headquarters is located in the vibrant city of Toronto, Canada. The company's presence in this city is a testament to the growing importance of technology in the hospitality industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.